Welcome to week 15. This week you need to review PowerPoint number 12. We will be going through course unit objectives 9.4, 9.5. Welcome to week 15. This week you will have a discussion on registry. There is PowerPoint number 12 you need to review, and Unit 9.4 and Unit 9.5. Our outcomes stay the same. You will also have to do assignment number 25 and assignment number 26. With assignment number 25, make sure you read through the pages 252 and 266. This is in your lab workbook. So then you're going to do problems 8.1, 8.2. So again, if you need any help with this, let me know. And you're also going to be doing EHR Go assignment number 26. Again, let's wrap it up, and we're almost done with this semester.